Looking to define your target audience? Here are 4 quick steps. Getting clear on your target market is essential. When it comes to marketing your services, you simply cannot please everyone. Think about it. Who will benefit most from your products or services? Is it single moms, university students, first-time home buyers, job seekers, or maybe people who work from home? Consumer demographics might not be the top of mind for you, but let me tell you that the clearer you are on your target audience, the faster you will grow your network and convert more customers. So let's start with a quick definition. A target audience is a specific group of people who are more likely to need and buy what you have to offer. So to help you find your target audience, here are 4 quick tips to help you to zero in into your ideal consumer. Firstly, if you already have paying customers, then you already have a leg up. As long as you're not going in a totally different direction with your service offerings, the best place to really start all of this is with your current consumer base. Who are your current customers and why did they buy from you? Look for the common pain points, the characteristics, the interests, and see where the common thread is. Has working with these customers revealed certain patterns or certain keywords that you can use to further refine your service descriptions or maybe your marketing messaging? Because it is very likely that there's other people out there just like them who needs your product and services. The second tip is to know your product inside and outside. Be honest with yourself as to what your expertise truly is and where you can provide value for your clients. This in particular will reveal what your offer should entail. And here are some key questions that you should ask yourself. How can my expertise be packaged into a product or service? For example, is it a one-to-one coaching? Is it an in-group workshop? Is it an online webinar, a DIY course, or maybe an ebook? What medium or method or platform will showcase your expertise best and help clients see results? What is the driving demand for your service and what person has those needs? What results will your service or product create and what kind of person will benefit from this the most? What's the cost of your service, your product? And can this person afford it? What objections may someone have to this product or service or offer as well as the price? And lastly, who are your competitors and what is their audience like? The answer of all these questions will help you to build a defined and detailed profile of your ideal customer. And now that we have a better understanding of our offer, the third tip is to create your buyer's persona. More clarity leads to more conversions. So choose specific demographics to target. Think about the following factors: age, location, gender, income, education, marital status, occupation, and be sure to also consider the psychographics, like the more personal characteristics of an ideal customer. It could be things like their personality, their values, their motivations, their interests, their lifestyles, etc. Lastly, and certainly not the least, the fourth tip is to discover where is your audience on social media. In today's digitally and socially connected world that we live in, it's very likely that a new customer will discover you on social media. So with that being said, you want to know what social media channels attract your target audience. And then be sure to publish content and be active there. Be where your audience is. There you go. Those are your 4 tips to define your target audience. If you've got any more questions, Let me know in the comment section below and I'll be sure to have a look at all your comments.
If you have gained something from this video, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you will never miss another video like this.